So welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. So before I show us how to make use of this strategy, I'll just quickly put up the indicators here on my screen so that you will know how to put it up so that I don't get to forget before the end of this video. Okay, so after 10 candles we'll be closing this trade. Okay, but we are just going to hold this trade now, and then I'm going to show us how to put the indicators on our chart so that we can get to make use of this strategy. Okay, so as you can see that this strategy is actually a powerful strategy, and after 10 candles definitely we are going to be closing this trade. Okay, so immediately we have this candle formed here, we are going to close this particular trade. Okay, so let me just quickly delete the indicators on my chart now. Okay, and then add it up so that you get to see how to make use of this indicator. Okay, so the first indicator we want to add on our chart is the RSI indicator. Okay, so the RSI indicator will help us to note the overbought and oversold condition in the market. Okay, so if we want to put up the RSI indicator, so our period will be set to 5. Okay, then our levels can be set to 90, 80, and then we have the level 10, and then we have the level 20. Okay, and then you can click on the save icon. Okay, so you can see that we have the first indicator here. Okay, and the next indicator we are going to add would be the Ichimoku. Okay, but before we add the Ichimoku, we have to add another RSI indicator here. Okay, and then we can set the period to 1. Okay, and then the level will be set to 75, 25, and then we have the level 50. Okay, so we can click on save here. Okay, and you can see. Okay, so the indicator is not going to actually show here because we are not going to use it here. Okay, just this particular one, and that's why we set it to 1. Okay, and that's why the blue indicator is not showing. So that's how you are going to have it on your chart. So we are going to add the Ichimoku now. So immediately this candle forms, we are going to close the trade because we are scalping. Okay, and the goal of this scalp is to be able to make use of a 1 lot size here. Okay, we are going to make use of 1.00 lot size, and the reason why we are making use of this strategy on boom 1000 index is because the boom 1000 index is not that much on spike. Okay, now what I mean by that is, unlike the boom 500 where you get to see a lot of spike, or the crash 500, okay, you get to see a lot of spike on the boom 500 and crash 500. Okay, so the boom 1000 doesn't spike much. Okay, and crash 1000 doesn't spike much. Okay, so that is why we are making use of this strategy on boom 1000, and you can also make use of it on crash 1000 because the market doesn't get to spike, and that's why we have to make use of it on the boom 1000. And then we are going to be closing immediately we have our 10 candles because the boom 1000 market is highly volatile. Okay, So if you are not careful, a spike can catch you and then blow your account. Okay, so you want to be careful with this strategy. So I'm just going to close now, because we have achieved our purpose here. Okay, so make sure immediately you have your 10 candles. Okay, you want to take your profit for boom 1000 because the market is highly volatile. Okay, but if for crash 500, or rather crash 1000, then you can decide to hold because it's not as volatile as the boom 1000. So let's go ahead to add our Ichimoku that will help us to so the first Ichimoku here we want to add. So you can make use of these first settings here. Okay, so the way you see it on my chart, just add it up there. Okay, and then you can click on save. Then the next Ichimoku we want to add, you just change the Tekansun to 26 and the Kinjusi to 26. Okay, and then you can have here to be red or any color that you can remember, but just set it as red here, and then you can click on save. Okay, and then the last indicator, make sure once you're adding both this indicator, you want to click here. Okay, to add it inside this RSI indicator here. So I'm still going to click on this now to be able to add the last Ichimoku. Okay, and here we are going to be having 36 here. Okay, and then our color is going to be blue here. Okay, so we are going to be having blue. Okay, and then we'll click on save. So you can see now that a spike has happened, guys. So make sure anytime you want to make use of this strategy, you follow the principle. Okay, make sure you follow the principle. Do not be greedy with this strategy. Don't be greedy. Okay, make sure you adhere to the principle of this strategy. Okay, because you can see a spike has just happened and this spike can easily blow your account. Okay, so let me just quickly show you how to make use of this strategy. So whenever I want to make use of this strategy, make sure you are using this strategy on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, we are going to stick to the 5 minutes time frame because we want to scalp, and then because we want to make quick profits from the market. So the first thing is we want to see our RSI indicator cross above level 80. So it can be between 80 and 90 or above. Okay, and then once we see that, the next thing we want to do is to make sure that our Ichimoku indicators crosses above the 75 level. Okay, both the black, the red and the blue. Okay, crosses above that. Once we see that, what we want to see now to be able to scalp is for market to cross below the 20 level here. Okay, our RSI indicator crosses below the 20 level. Okay, that is market has gotten to the oversold condition. I know you might say that price has gotten to the oversold condition, but since price has gotten there, it means that price is still likely to keep on selling. Okay, so that is one of the tricks the market makers don't want you to know. They will make you to feel afraid that if market has gotten to the oversold condition, you should take your profits or you should get out from the market. So once it touches this 20 level, then definitely you want to take like your 10 candles. Okay, and get out from the market. Okay, so the same is true if you look at previous markets. Okay, make sure the market crosses, it either touches or crosses the RSI 5 indicator here, and then you want to see here. Okay, here we don't get to see that happen here. Okay, so you can see that our Ichimoku here did not cross. Okay, you can see that our Ichimoku did not cross, just only our RSI. So we are going to skip this condition here. So we are just going to look for when our condition is going to hold true. Okay, now you will notice that price got to this level above here. Okay, you can see our RSI 5 got above this level. And then if we look at our Ichimoku, you will notice that the red, the black and the blue crosses above the 75 level. So what we want to do is to wait for market to cross and touch the 20 level here, and then we can take our 10 candle. As simple as that. Let us look for a last opportunity. You can see the market crossed here, okay, but we didn't see all our Ichimoku above that level, so we are going to skip and ignore, okay, until we get a perfect entry, okay, until we get a perfect entry, so we didn't really get a perfect entry here, so let us keep on looking for a perfect entry, guys. So this is how to make use of this powerful strategy, guys. So if you stick to the rules of this strategy, then you are going to be safe, okay. You can see that here, and also you can see that here, guys. So once price gets to the 20 level here, take your sell or your buy, whatever the case may be, and take 10, 15 or whatever amount of candle you want to take, okay, guys. So guys, this is how to make use of this strategy, okay. So if this strategy makes sense to you, please kindly like this video, share this video to other traders that you know will make use of this strategy and make money for themselves, okay. So guys, I really appreciate for taking out time to watch this video. So do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so, okay. And you can leave a comment in the comment description of this video, and I'll reply you back to your comments, okay. So thanks guys for watching this video. Cheers, and I'll see you in my next trading video.